Sometimes you will need to design your label so that variable data can be entered at print time. To do this, you will need to change the variable data source for the relevant fields on your label template. On this label, we want to source the address, part number, customer reference and invoice number from the keyboard at print time. Let's go ahead and set the source type to keyboard for those fields. Set a prompt that relates to the field in question. Further options for managing your keyboard entry at print time. Data required only at start of print run. For when one or more of your keyboard entry fields will stay the same for the whole print run. Data must be entered when required. This will prevent labels from being printed if the field is left void. And use the sample as the initial print data, for when multiple labels will be printed with the same data, but you wish to have the option to change it. Once you have made your settings on the design screen, you can go ahead and click on the print icon, which will take you to the print screen. Here on the right you will see the prompts for keyboard entry that you set up previously. Now, you just enter your data and print. LabelDirect also allows you to store records for frequently entered keyboard data. Please see our data store tutorial for information on how to do this.